Here's how to download music from YouTube as MP3 using legal methods in 2026. If this helps you, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tech guides. First, it's important to know this. Downloading copyrighted YouTube music as MP3 without permission is not allowed. But there are legal ways to save music for offline use. The safest option is YouTube Music. Open the YouTube Music app, search for the song, and tap Download. This saves the music for offline listening inside the app. If the video or music is your own content, go to YouTube Studio. Select your video, click Download, and convert it to MP3 using an audio editor. Another legal option is using licensed platforms like Apple Music or Spotify, which allow offline downloads with a subscription. And that's it. Always use legal methods to download music. Subscribe for more simple and safe YouTube tips.